loving it! Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you a full face makeup tutorial using the makeup products from the Essence Advent Calendar. I will also use some new products by Essence that they have recently released. If you want to see the unboxing of the Essence Advent Calendar, I will have a card here so you can find the video easier. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried an Advent Calendar that you like, and also share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. On my lips I have applied the Smoothie Gloss by Essence in Sweet Peach, and this was in the Advent Calendar and it has a Christmassy design. You can also find it in the regular collection of Essence and you can find it in 3 different flavors. This feels very moisturizing on the lips for about an hour for me, and when I am out of the house and now the weather is getting colder in Germany, so if you live somewhere else, maybe this will be moisturizing for more hours. It is very glossy. It has a light scent and flavor of peach. It's not uncomfortable and it is mild. On my skin I will apply the redness correcting pore minimizing primer with green clay, and this is one of the newest primers that they have released. I will have a card here with all the new Essence makeup products that they have released, and I have done a review and a wear test, and for this one I have done a wear test and I have used it with a different foundation. In this video I'm going to use it with the Insta Perfect foundation. I also have done an individual review for this one. I will apply a little bit of the primer and I will also try to push it on the areas that my pores are more visible. And on top of that I apply the Insta Perfect liquid makeup in the shade 40. I will apply it with a Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I will use this new concealer by Essence. This is a Camouflage Healthy Glow Concealer, and I have also tested the matte concealer in the latest video that I have done testing new makeup products by Essence. I will have a card here if you want to see the other new makeup products that they have. This is in the shade 20 Light Neutral. The shade range for the concealers is not the best. They don't have in darker shades, at least for now. So this one is in a lighter shade. Let's see how it will work on my skin. Wow! The doe foot applicator applies a lot of product with one swipe. I will use it on both of my eyes. I will use it as a primer for my eyes too. Most of the times I use concealer on my eyelid because I have a lot of discoloration, veins, and the concealer does the job. And with the smaller side of my sponge I will blend it. The color is lighter than what I need. This concealer is not the correct shade for the foundation that I use now, and also for my under eye area because it is lighter in color. It blends very easy and it has a nice coverage. With the sponge that I was using for my foundation, I will just press lightly on my under eye area so I can take that whitish color that the concealer gave to my skin. To set my foundation, I will use Fixing Powder by Art Deco Cosmetics because I don't have a setting powder by Essence that I like. To contour my face and give a little bit of color on my skin because my eyes look so whitish and pale. I don't like it. To contour my face, I'm going to use a face-to-face contouring and highlighting palette, and I will take this shade here. It is called Grounded with brush 109 by MAC. It blends so easy, and tap the excess off because it is powdery. I also apply some on my jawline and blend it very well because especially this area, it is very dangerous. If you don't blend it very well, it will be very obvious. So try to blend it very well. Take your time. With the same brush, I will also contour my nose and bring it into the brows. And you can see how easy this blends. I like the formula of this palette a lot, and you can use it for lighter skin tones or darker skin tones. Oh no, I forgot! For blush, I will use this one. This is the Matte Touch blush in the color Peach Me Up, and I will apply it with this brush here that I got from the Essence Advent Calendar. This is the cheek and contouring brush, and I forgot to use it for contouring, so I will use it for my blush. I like the size of the bristle part, but I would like this part here to be longer so it can be more convenient to hold it. The shape of the bristles is very similar to this brush here. This is the cheek brush by Essence, and in the beginning I thought that I just got a mini size of this brush here, but it is fluffier. This one is bigger in size, and I like both of them. With this brush I will take the shade So Sunny and I will blend the edges of my blush and contouring application. For highlighter, I will use this palette here, and this is a highlighter palette Glow to Go in the shade Sun Kissed Glow, and I got it in my Essence Advent Calendar, and it has a Christmassy design. It has a Santa. With brush E40 by Sigma, I will take the light golden shade and I will apply it on top of my cheekbones. Ooh, yay! This looks very natural, blends very nice. On top of that, I will also apply a little bit of the pinkish highlighter. Tap the excess off. Okay, these two together, they look stunning. You can find this in the Advent Calendar, and you can also buy it in a different design, but it is the same product. Me loving it! And now it's time for big fluffy brush, and with big circular motions, I will blend everything. I think these two don't work very well together. My forehead is very patchy. My under eye area still looks very whitish, but I don't want to apply any more powders to fix the color because my skin is already very dry, so I will just stay like this. In the Advent Calendar, I got this brow pencil. This is the Super Last 24 Hour Eyebrow Pomade Pencil. This is in the color 30 Dark Brown, and also this one has a Christmassy design. I have used this one again in a different shade, in a lighter shade, and I like it. On one side we have a twistable pencil, and on the other side we have a small plastic brush, and if you take the brush out, you can see that you also have a small sharpener, and I love that. First, I will clean them. So let's see if I can make this color work on my brows. With a brush, I will blend the product into my brow hair. The brush is very small and it takes a lot of time to take it through the brows. So I don't like the size of the brush, but it works if you don't have something else. I think the color works okay, but I will blend it with a different brush, with a spoolie. Let's continue with the eyeshadows. For my eyes, I will use an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Yes I Can Natural Look, and also the I Got This Rock Look eyeshadow palette. I have asked you on Instagram which one of these you would like to see in my next video. It was very close, but most of you chose this one here, the I Got This Rock Look. I'm going to use this in an upcoming video. You can also see a review swatches and makeup looks that I have done with the Eye Flirt Party Look eyeshadow palette. I will have a card here with the review that I have done for this one. To highlight my brow bone, I will take eyeshadow eye blush with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, and I will apply it all over my brow bone. So that works very nice for a brow bone highlighter, but I have swatched it. It is this one here. And it's not very intense, so I am guessing it will look better with a setting spray on your brush, and after that press it on your eyes. For the brow bone, I like it because it's not very shimmery, but it's not very intense for my eyelids because I like very intense shimmer eyeshadows for my eyelids. I want to use this peachy shade here. It is a matte eyeshadow. I want to use it into my crease. It looks very promising. I like the color. This is eyeshadow Get Fancy, and with an eye blender brush by Essence, I will apply it into my crease and I will blend it towards my brow bone. It has some kickback, so tap the excess off. Oh, the color is so beautiful. This eyeshadow blends very easy and it has a very nice opacity. This works very nice for a crease color. My concealer creased and I have applied a lot of powder to set it because it was sticky and it looks terrible, especially the color, not good. In the Essence Advent Calendar, I also got this white eye pencil and I want to use it on my eyelid as a base so I can make this green eyeshadow more intense. The eye pencil is not very creamy. Take your time to apply it on your eyes, and with my finger I will blend it very lightly so I don't have harsh lines. And on some areas that I'm not able to blend it very well, I will just take a brush. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow High Honey. I will press it on my eyelid very lightly. This way we don't have any fallout. With the tip of the brush, I will just blend the edges. With the same eyeshadow brush, I take eyeshadow Hustle and Go and I will apply it in the outer third of my eyelid. I clean my brush on a tissue and I blend the two colors together. From the Face to Face palette, I will take the same contouring shade. It is called Grounded, with an angled crease brush by Essence, and I will apply it on the outer crease of my eyes so I can make my eyes more uplifted. I don't have a similar shade in this palette or something that I can do that. I only have a black shade, but I don't want to make a black smoky eye. I just want something more natural. And this way my eyes don't look droopy and I don't look sad. With a smudging brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow Hustle and Go and I apply it all over my lower lash line. So you need about 3 layers to make the color look like this. It's not a very intense eyeshadow. You need an eye base, an eye pencil, or maybe setting spray to make this eyeshadow more intense. I clean my brush on a tissue and I take again eyeshadow Get Fancy and I blend the edges of my lower lash line, and this gives a very nice warmth to my skin. With a blending brush by Ebelin, I take eyeshadow Espresso Me from the Face palette and I want to intensify a little bit more my outer crease. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I take eyeshadow Eye Blush and I apply it into the inner corner. That's a beautiful inner corner highlighter. With an angled brush by BH Cosmetics, this is number 10, I take eyeshadow Get Over It and I apply it very close to my lashes. Let me know if you want to see a specific makeup look with this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use it a little bit more so I can do my review. After that, I apply black eye pencil into my waterline. In the Advent Calendar, I also got a mascara, this one here with the Christmas design. I will not open it because I have it, and I will use this one. You can see that it doesn't have the Christmas design. This is what I got from the Advent Calendar, and I will use this one on my eyes. This is the Super Care Volume Mascara and it gives an eye-opening effect. And you can see immediately the eye-opening effect. It's not as volumizing as I like my mascaras, but it does a very nice job. And I like the applicator of this mascara because it coats the lashes and also it defines them. It doesn't make them look spidery. About the lip products, I have used the lip gloss. I have it for about 1 hour now and we can see that it's not as glossy as before. I have applied also foundation and it looks like this. It doesn't look dry on my lips. You can just reapply. It is a lip gloss. It is not long lasting. In the Essence Advent Calendar, I also got these 2 lip products. The Ultra Last Instant Color Lipstick in the color Eternal Beauty and also the color changing lipstick in the color Get the Pinky Style. So I want to do a wear test for this one. I will show you how the Eternal Beauty looks on my lips. I have done lipstick swatches and a wear test for these lipsticks. You can see this lipstick in different colors, and I will have a card here if you want to see if this is long lasting. I like this. This is a color that I can wear every day. I will remove it and I will apply this little guy here with the penguin design. It is so pretty, so cute. This is a gray lipstick and it changes color when you apply it on the lips and it becomes pink. And this one stains the lips and also the skin, and that's why I want to do a wear test for this one. It's a very girly pink color. I will let it for a few hours. It is very creamy and also it's not very glossy and it feels very comfortable on the lips. I don't feel that I have something on my lips. Let's see now if this lipstick is long lasting. Hi guys, it's been 4 hours and let's see what happened with the lipstick. So I don't have a lot of color left and it's been like this for the last hour, so I can say it lasted on me for 3 hours, not 4. And I don't have even a layer of color all over my lips, and I don't like that because if it is a stain, you want it to be stained everywhere. This looks very patchy and I have other lipsticks that they are looking better than a product that claims that stains the lips. It is very dry on my lips and the taste is horrible. Not very impressed. I will apply one more layer to see how it looks. If you reapply, this is how it looks. It looks like before. I will do the same type of video for the Catrice Advent Calendar. I will have a card here with the unboxing of the calendar. In that video, I will use one of these eye and face palettes, the Star Games or the Made for Stars. And some of you wanted me to review these palettes and I was lucky. I found them in my local drugstore and I bought them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also let me know in the comments below if you have used any of these products and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!